Hi, thanks for taking a look at my iOS 9 push notifications in Swift class. I'm Thomas J. I've been an instructor for over 8 years developing iOS apps and server-side systems for over 15 years. We're going to talk about some of the capabilities of iOS 9, and how to implement push notifications from a server side as well as local notifications. We're going to talk about implementing Apple Push Notification Services, or APNS, for local and remote, and we'll talk about a simple tool for testing. The basic notifications can be executed from XCode. We can create an application which must run on an actual device. It can't run on the simulator. We'll talk about how we get the notification token and how we can send it to a server. We'll also talk about a testing tool which you can download for free to actually send a push notification. And we'll send this to the phone, and we can see the notification come up. We'll talk about how to add additional attributes, how to get badge information, as well as how to clear the badge count. We'll talk about how to use local notifications. Local notifications are used a lot of times to queue messages like thanks for using my app 10 or 15 minutes after they use the app, or maybe if they haven't used the app for a day or so to say, hey, please come back and use my app. And those can be canceled, so if they do come in and use the app in 10 hours, you can queue another one for another 24 hours. So that's the basics what we'll be going over. I hope I can help you and you enjoy my course. Please enjoy the class. Thank you.